Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Puzzle.io and Zoho Books. So to get started with a quick overview, Puzzle.io is a modern accounting platform tailored for startup and finances firms that want automation, real-time visibility, and audit-ready book without manual reconciliation. It integrates natively with tools like Gesture, ramp, and stream to keep books currently and investor ready. Then talking about Zoho Book on the other side, this is a part of the broader Zoho ecosystem, offering a full-featured accounting suite for small to medium-sized businesses. It is well suited for service provider, consultants, and retail operation looking for invoicing, inventory, and workflow automation at an affordable price. And talking about the Puzzle.io, this platform is best for starting a SaaS companies like automation, clean GAAP compliant reporting, and a real-time financial detail. And here's the downside: not ideal for businesses needing inventory management, just limited international support, mostly focused on USA, and still maturing in terms of third-party integration. Now talking about Zoho Book on the other side, this platform is best for small, medium business that want a budget-friendly, customizable accounting tools with a solid invoicing, tax, and inventory features. Now, I'm talking about the downside about this platform. It can feel blunted without using other Zoho tools. Automation isn't as advanced as Puzzle.io real-time engine. It doesn't lack high-end reporting features for fundraising or audit. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. So if you are into a fast-growing startup and SaaS companies needing a real-time books automation and a clean GAAP, just go for Puzzle.io. And on the other side, if you are a small business owner or a consultant looking for a affordable, well-rounded accounting with a deep customization, just go for Zoho Books. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two accounting software platforms. Thanks.